Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by pairing your iPhone to Alexa over Bluetooth and signing into the Alexa app. This is the only way to stream Apple Music playlists directly. First, open Settings on your iPhone and enable Bluetooth. Then, in the Alexa app, go to Devices, pick your Echo, choose Bluetooth devices, and put the Echo into pairing mode. Make sure your iPhone selects the Echo as an audio device. Once done, Apple Music on the phone can play through Alexa as a Bluetooth speaker. Now that the devices are discoverable, pair them. In the Alexa app, tap your Echo, then Bluetooth, and choose Pair a New Device. On your iPhone, choose the Echo from the Bluetooth list. You'll hear Alexa confirm the link. Next, open Apple Music, navigate to the playlist you want, and press play. The audio routes to the Echo via Bluetooth. This method preserves your playlists, playback order, and account choice because Alexa is acting as a Bluetooth speaker for your iPhone. To finish, control tracks from your iPhone and use Alexa for volume and quick play/pause commands. This is why Bluetooth pairing is the only reliable route. To stop playback, either disconnect Bluetooth on your phone or say, "Alexa, disconnect." If you run into issues, no audio or intermittent skips, unpair the devices, reboot both the Echo and your iPhone, then repeat pairing. Also check both devices are on the same Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.